What's good, y'all? It's your girl Red back with another freaking video. So today I am in Arizona with my mom, girlfriend, and cousin, and we checked into a hotel yesterday. So this is my first time telling you guys I'm here, but I've been here for a day so far. We flew here on Frontier Airlines. It's pretty decent. It's my third time on a plane. This little nice waterfall. I'm actually gonna show you guys a tour of the room, so stay tuned for that. Oh, here's Deja.
Show me how you make it dip. Eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. Show me how you make it dip, 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 make it dip. Yeah, baby, show me how you make it dip, 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 make it dip. Yeah, baby, show me how you make it dip. Who got the juice? Be sending you niggas crazy. Who got a man like me and that pussy Daisy? Yeah, I had to dash like Tian, baby, I'm Stacy. Like when you turn them down, these clowns turning.
All right, y'all, we're finna, head into our home level. Oh, you want to show them how it looks like from far back? Okay. Anyways, y'all ready to check out this dope? Ooh, this is the first room I've ever been to that looked amazing inside and out. Alright, so look, man, we got this little spacious area right here. You walk in. Where's the light? Oh. Anyways, yeah, got this little area here. I don't know what you would call it, but yeah, it's very special. We could have like 10 people up in here. Then we got the, excuse my mess. Got a little couch. Chilling on the couch. Then we got the little 2 other couches to sit in, chill, pop your feet up, move the table a little bit, and watch some TV. But anyways, I'll show you guys this later. Okay. But we got this nice little TV. Oh, they got the remotes in some bags. Maybe it's to protect for the winter. Anyways, here's my refrigerator and freezer, you feel me? We ain't got nothing in it yet, we just got in here. Got a little nice sink. Got some cabinets. They got dishes, y'all. We got dishes. Oh, we got plates, glass, and everything, you feel me? Then we got a little table to eat at. Oh, they also provide an electric skillet and whatnot. We can grill outside. We got everything just right. Anyways, we got 2 nice beds, you feel me? Oh, also our couch pulls out. And we also got a nice little TV here, look like a 55-inch, But anyways, come on, let me show you this dope bathroom. I didn't see y'all there. Look at this. Welcome to my bathroom. You feel me? About 10 of them. Oh, that went in the butt. Anyways, we got the little things, the little, the handles there. A few of us can fit in here. It's pretty big. It's pretty big. Oh, it was nice in that white. Alright. But anyways, y'all, we got the double sinks. One for me and one for everybody else to share, because I'm sharing my own sink, thank you. Oh my god, they got a vanity. I didn't know that. We got a little chair to do my fake makeup, because I don't put on makeup, y'all. I put on mascara sometimes. Probably messing my eyebrows a little bit, but that's about it. We got a little, look at that. I can't see myself. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's the right one. For me. Get these my diamonds. But anyways, y'all, let's put that back. We got the ironing board, the arm. We got a broom. We got some towels. Got some little hangers, and I think a safe if I ain't tripping. Then we also, those are open for some reason, but I think we got a key for it. Probably put some important stuff in there. Got some drawers. And here's the toiletry, the toilet, the tissue. We got this big old shower.
Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Hey. What? Hey. Come on. Down. Tap with it. Hey. Oh.
But anyways, y'all, that's gonna conclude today's video. Back patio. Oh, it's not. My bad. I'm trying to kick y'all out early. Let's go to the back. Welcome. We got this nice, what you call this, a chase or a little thing you sit out at the beach, but it's on the patio. Ooh, I'm gonna come out here in 10, y'all, mighty black. Yeah, I think there's somebody else over here. Theirs kind of suck. But we got this little tree over here. Rocks area. And this is our backyard. When I go to the golf course, that'll be another tour video. But I'm gonna have to tell you guys, you gotta go so I can enjoy my time. So let's go. Hi, Daddy too. I missed you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, stay tuned for another video, and comment down below any more video suggestions. Peace.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony for a 12 fuck swat, busting all the bells out the